The concept of luxury is undergoing a seismic shift. Once, it was all about acquiring high-end products, designer bags, exclusive watches, or luxury cars. But in 2024, the definition of luxury has evolved. It's no longer just about what you own. It's about what you experience. Welcome to the age of experiential luxury, where moments matter more than materials. And let's be real, who needs a gold-plated yacht when you can sip champagne at the edge of a private glacier in Antarctica? Talk about cool, literally. So, why are we seeing this shift? It's all about the modern consumer. Millennials and Gen Z aren't as impressed by stuff as previous generations. They're all about collecting experiences, not objects. A Louis Vuitton bag might turn heads for a moment, but a story about dining under the northern lights or staying in a hotel room suspended over a jungle? Now that's timeless. Plus, it makes for a killer Instagram post. Because let's be honest, if it's not on social media, did it even happen? Luxury brands are catching on. They've realized that today's high-end customer isn't just looking to buy, they're looking to feel. That's why we're seeing a boom in experiential offerings. Take Rolls-Royce, for instance. They're not just selling cars. They're offering personalized, immersive driving experiences where customers can design every tiny detail of their vehicle while enjoying a curated lifestyle package. It's like saying, sure, you can have a car, but wouldn't you rather have a Rolls-Royce life? Then there's the hospitality industry. Traditional five-star hotels? That's old news. Now, it's about unique, tailor-made stays. Companies like Amman Resorts or Six Senses are leading the charge, offering wellness-focused retreats where you can detox, de-stress, and, dare I say it, become one with nature. Imagine meditating in a rainforest with your personal guru, or learning to make artisan chocolate on a private cocoa plantation. And yes, if you're wondering, your guru will have better Instagram captions than you. Chefs are designing menus that play with textures, sounds, and visuals to turn meals into performances. Some Michelin-starred restaurants now create dishes inspired by specific emotions. What does happiness taste like, you ask? Apparently, it's a blend of mango sorbet, edible glitter, and the sound of a harp in the background. Who knew? Technology is another big player in this space. Virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming how we experience luxury. Want to visit an art gallery in Paris without leaving your living room? Done. Fancy a private concert with your favorite musician, streamed directly to you in 3D? No problem. The possibilities are endless. But what's driving all this? Two words: emotional connection. Consumers today want more than just products. They want memories. And brands are delivering by tapping into their customers' deepest desires. Whether it's through curated experiences, personalized services, or immersive environments, the goal is the same: to make people feel special, unique, and, dare I say, a little bit spoiled. And here's the kicker: experiential luxury doesn't just appeal to the ultra-rich. Brands are creating tiered experiences so more people can get a taste. Think first-class airline upgrades, limited edition events, or exclusive previews. It's like being part of a club where the price of admission isn't just money. It's the willingness to seek out something extraordinary. Of course, with great luxury comes great responsibility. Many brands are weaving sustainability into their offerings, ensuring that these experiences don't come at the planet's expense. From eco-friendly lodges to sustainable fashion collections, the focus is shifting towards guilt-free indulgence. So you can enjoy your bespoke experience knowing you're also doing your part. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of experiential luxury. What's your idea of the ultimate luxury experience? A private island, an underwater suite, or maybe a Michelin star meal in a hot air balloon? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of Wrens, innovation, and, of course, a little indulgence. Until next time, remember, life isn't measured by the things you own, but by the memories you make. make them unforgettable.